Grok 3 AI Review. Is it legit or a scam? Let's get started. So Grok is a flagship AI chatbot from XAI, which is integrated into X or formerly known as Twitter. Now on version 3 with upgraded reasoning, multimodal functions, and real-time access to X's feed. It's built as a Musk trust seeker and scary smart chatbot that outperforms competitors in STEM tests. So let's talk about its strengths. It has elite reasoning performance, which scores approximately 96% on difficult math, and many more. It also has real-time awareness, which connects to live X data via deep search. It also has the Think and Big Brain modes, which offers step-by-step logic explanations and extra computing. And lastly, it has a creative edge for early users, noted Grok. The only downside is it has some hallucinations and misinformation. It also has an inconsistent creativity, and the stability concerns have been reported, and the bias and censorship worries the people for the prompts to ignore reference to Moss and Trump, and it has a high subscription cost, which requires up to $40 per month. So in conclusion, Grok 3 is legit. However, if you're tackling, you should avoid it if you rely on accuracy and sensitive areas and want safer creative writing or balanced AI. Just stick to ChatGPT.